You trying to kiss it or something? Fuck, go forward.
Hey. Is that first? Oh. Yeah,
it is now. Look left before you.
Is it your car manual?
No. Chad's never driven manual in his life.
What?
This is probably his second time driving manual for more than 5 minutes.
that's not true.
Don't run over the people.
Yeah, I'm not going to.
So stressful when someone else is driving your fucking.
It is super stressful.
Does Squirtle lick these windows, Gene?
She does.
I was like, how come I can't fucking see out there?
Yeah.
I want to open a window, but I'm worried dog girls start flying out.
See? That wasn't that hard, Tegh.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
This is all.
With the seatbelt on.
This is also
Oh, shit.
one of the easiest like transmissions to
Yeah,
drive on.
I know it's not hard. That's why I was like, oh, let me drive it. I was like,
Oh, look at this guy. Is that what is that? Oh my good lord!
there's a car there. Okay, so when I want to downshift, what do I do then?
What do you mean?
Like, I want to go slower, but I want to use the transmission of the car. Do I just clutch in third?
Clutch? Yeah, if you're in
depending on how
fourth,
fast
clutch. Yeah. Like right now, go to third. Yeah.
And I usually blip the gas before I do it, but Jacob likes to use the clutch to slow down.
I don't. I never use the clutch to slow down.
Yeah, I always blip the gas.
Like that?
Yeah. And then you kind of just like brake and then.
Well, you brake, press the clutch, don't forget.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know, Tegh.
Watch the curb. Thumbnail.
That was smooth.
That's Honda, of course it's smooth.
Yeah.
It's not you, it's the car.
Shut up.
Shut up, just shut up, shut up, shut up, just shut up, shut up. Ooh, baby, I love you. Every way. I wanna go to you night, all day. Wagwan bap bop bop. I did the west side sign upside down.
I think that's.
You did this?
You
Yeah.
did that.
You did that.
Representing the monsters. Monsters. Holy shit, it's already at 76 kilometers an hour?
Yeah.
Baby ain't slow.
Maybe a race car.
Maybe a race car.
You know I get to my nose? Go left, dog.
Yeah, I'm going back to my car. Fuck.
Huh?
Leave my car.
Why?
Because when I want to skedaddle, I can just skedaddle. And I probably in neutral, right?
Why are you going to your car?
No. Go to.
Well, just take one car, the fuck?
Just go third, second, and then second take the corner. Cause take you the corner at 30. Oh my.
Sorry.
Oh, there goes my tranny.
Why are you going back to your car?
So he wants to
I wanna
skedaddle.
go, like somewhere else.
And
I'll
then
go somewhere else afterwards.
Brake, go
Yeah.
In a second.
go into second, and then do a nice little off, and then go to your car, in second, and then just pop it into neutral.
Wait, so what am I doing?
Oh,
sorry.
that's okay. You can adjust everything they need except for my mirrors.
Why can't I just remove?
No, this one. I hate adjusting these again.
I got the bank manager and I'm waiting by the door.
Are you actually? Whoa! What?
Arms always bent, bitch.
It comes out?
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
That's why you're not a car guy.
Oh, this is mean. It's a very light.
I know how to drive. I just don't know how to drive well.
Oh, it's so unfortunate.
You're a fucking BMW transmission, bitch.
Oh, that's so funny.
Fuck you. What a goofball. You're fucking reversing on a green.
Cooked his ass.
Honda versus Akira. Honda win. Vroom, vroom.
Let him pull beside you.
When we race, we're racing forward, not backwards. When we're racing, we race forwards, not backwards. That was such a quick light, fuck.
I thought you were going.
Huh?
I went. I thought you were going.
No, I thought if it's red, perfect time for us to race. Not now, back there.
He didn't
He's been behind us, dog.
Yeah. You wish, huh?
Yo, that's a nice car. You should have got that car.
That's T&D's friend. I don't remember his name.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Those Teghs are so nice, man.
Those Teg's are so nice.
Oh, and he has the brake thing?
Oh, that wing one?
One day.
Yeah, the wing ones are nice. Especially when they're actually factory. Because some of them, they just like go on, but the ones that actually blink are, I think, are actually like factory. Or where's Ben Park? Africa?
Huh? Bad? Yeah, you parked way down there. This? Oh, this. Yeah.
Not the car.
Everybody hates this one. 6,000 pounds? You have to have like 2 full tanks in the back for sure, bro. That same air ride in my car would probably shoot into space. I'm not happy. It'd probably shoot into space.
I actually like that underglow.
Oh, that is super nice.
I think when it's like parked, yes.
No. The 370 is clean.
I think it would be nice.
Yeah.
For
Yeah,
rollers or
he has the
something?
right color.
I could have. That's clean as fuck. That's nice as fuck. Yeah, that's nice. Apparently.
That thing goes fucking fast.
Yeah. What is that anyway? Oh, the gauge clusters?
Yeah, that thing makes them pure suit of power.
So fucking
My work car.
No, me neither. Those? It's barred for me.
Oh my god, I just saw that. Oh yeah, this is the best.
Oh, goddamn. F550. That's a cool.
That right there is a real truck. You want to get some power? You get yourself to do it. That's some real power. It's American power. You think that little gasoline over there, that little gasoline going to go for you? No. You need some of that diesel.
If it ain't coming or stroking, it ain't American.
If it ain't coming, I ain't going. You think you gonna drive some of that Elon shit? No. That thing goes 0 to 60. Eventually, that thing drives a dinosaur juice. None of that little Elon shit.
It's like the big eye popping out.
None of that Elon shit. Just some diesel, some of that dinosaur juice.
Wait, how do you tell the difference actually?
So
with the headlights, and the taillights are also different, but mostly the headlights.
Oh, that little like curve basically? Yeah, exactly. Oh, fuck, I didn't know that.
The 350 is just flat. I like the spoiler. You ever see a lot lately? I've been seeing a lot of like Elantras, Hyundais.
Yeah,
and I'm like, what is going on?
I hate them.
Like a regular.
I hate them a lot.
That's the option. Besides that, 370.
Jeeps? I hate Jeeps.
I like Jeeps. Take that person.
I don't.
Okay, I know you do.
I like.
No, if he's flying, it's like, oh shit. Oh, is this a ZL1? This is what? ZL? No, it's just Caddy. Oh no, it's whatever.
We had one coming to the shop the other day. The ZL1.
Yeah.
They're fucking nice.
What's wrong?
We're gonna Future Tire right now. So I'm afraid it's a nice. Yeah, it's the Chackhawk.
No, this is clarifying. This is clarifying. I was just caught off guard.
I'm just saying. No, I think it really drove right past you, and you said, "Oh my god!"
No. Just to clarify, it caught me off guard. I didn't see it.
I window down. So when the car comes, Josh is like, "Oh my god, this is so."
Right.
And the guy just looks at me.
Free track walk.
A free track walk. Okay.
Like, oh no.
Why am I saying no to that? What's the other option? Like, what's the downside? There is no downside. Obviously, I'll take any free car. Honda boy. This is what you really want, huh, Jeff?
That's kind of clean though.
Yeah.
This is clean. This Honda here.
If I'm not mistaken, I'm pretty sure they're all-wheel drive.
These ones? No. There's never been an all-wheel drive Civic.
They're all front-wheel drive, but the only all-wheel drive cars are like the new TL.
The wagons. They're the wagons. Because some of them, like, if you do RSS conversions, a lot of them
the CR.
Yeah, they take it from the CRV.
They take it from the
No, you
CRV,
take the
but-
powertrain from the CRV.
But some take them.
Okay, what was that?
Yeah.
I think it popped. I can't even hear myself.
Down this strip, I could get up to 100. Yeah. Like if I set my gears.
It's kind of fun.
And it is.
Like, it's funny. Like, it's fun. Like, not funny. It's fun. But very gay. Watch this.
Is this your car or whose car is it? This is your car? Who did you get to install these, man? Me. You installed them yourself?
Took me like 5 or 6 hours.
Is there a kit for them? Or? Do you mind if I look? Do you mind if I look?
I'll go.
Wow, they stay up too.
They're custom made for the car. Wow. You buy them on some website.
Oh, wow. The braces or the doors themselves?
The bracket here, I had to custom cut that and shit. So I had to cut it.
Fender and everything?
Yeah, I had to cut
I'm not
the inside of
doing
the
this
fender.
to my
And it holds up and everything? Like they're sturdy and stuff?
Surprise.
The bracket is,
It's like a whole new bracket. And it has like a compressor, so.
Oh, so it helps it stay up and stuff, huh?
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
sick.
They're like $2,000 when you buy them brand new. I got some guy on Facebook for like $500.
I think it's sick. Are they like reinforced or just regular stock doors?
Just regular stock.
I thought it was you for a second.
I saw you look at me, I was like, what the fuck?
Yeah, I was like, is it?
Oh my god. You can't park down here. I just saw the wheels are nice.
Oh, those are nice. Look. It sounded late. When he was revving it didn't sound that good. It looks cleaner. If I'm being honest with you, it looks cleaner. Okay, stop the car right there.
Oh no.
Nah, it's too late.
She's pretty
far away, so it's kind of easy to hunt. You want to see it?
Yeah, listen to this. Is the handbrake gonna roll into the ditch?
I have the clutch in.
Huh?
I have the gear. I have them geared. Man, look at my wheels.
Those are clean.
It won't roll into the ditch. I put it in gear. Those are these not fires or what though? They're way better than what they were on it before.
I think we should color them black or something.
No. Check the depth.
Huh?
Guess how much I got the tires for. Check the depth and guess how much I got them for.
Damn.
Holy shit, these are brand. These are.
Guess how much I got them for.
200?
$350 with another set of rims.
Oh, what?
Yeah. So I got these 300 today in Saint Jerome, Quebec, which is kind of.
Oh.
I noticed this one. And there's another hole all the way through the different side of the piece.
Say Ben.
This thing is so black. Oh, take it to Gap with me.
Out of wheels. It's 720S. Canada's. They sound identical. They do sound terrible.
He went to the same place. Let's go.
She didn't even flinch, brother. Thank you for doing that. That was funny as fuck.
Some cars can do a launch. Some cars can do a launch. That is a far can.
You use a deep blast at work. That's not bad.
That was louder than blasted by the.
Maybe we stay a little longer and just watch cars move.
Oh, thanks.
Yeah, no.
Like the Beamer and those Audis sounded
See how big the guy was and they drove the Honda kit car? Huge white dude.
Yeah. That's what I was like.
Huge white
Yeah, so I
dude.
was like, oh, I couldn't use it. I couldn't fit in there. I was like, I don't know how he did. I looked at the sides. I was like, how?
You said that, but I didn't know who was driving the car. I was
How
like,
is this
one
in there?
foot does the gas and the brake.
Yeah, I was like, oh, this is.
You do the
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Ride the clutches, huh?
yeah.
There's no way they do that on that.
By the way, it's Gap.
Oh, that's my favorite car at the end of the day.
C8, more C8.
I hate them.
Really?
I hate the body. I hate.
I love it.
They left what they used to be.
I don't think, okay, yeah, 100%. It's not really. It sounds like a traditional Corvette, but I think they're the, like, it's almost a
It is.
supercar.
It is almost.
It's an affordable.
It's an affordable supercar. Don't get me wrong, they're cool, but like for me, a C5 pop-up headlights in the forest green, my dream Corvette.
They look nice, but I don't think they should call it Corvette.
And the E-Rays are going for dirt cheap right now.
Yeah.
They're going for.
I'm coming fast to see you.
Oh.
Next truck that comes by, hop in the bed. Hop in the bed. Just hop in the bed.
I can't hop in the bed.
Jump in the bed. Damn, brother. They were at the last car.
They were.
Yeah. Bullet blast in their system.
They're fucking insanely. Woo! Nice work! Tegh, you gotta. That's Tegh's brother. The one that just drove by us there? It does. I actually like
That's
it.
cancer, everybody. I think so.
I feel like that's still not as bad as my.
Oh, see these bikes take off. Jabs, it's your boyfriend. This is my favorite part of the car show. It's when they leave.
Not gonna lie. Yeah, okay, we'll see.
Okay, Steve, heads up. Sure. Where are you going, Jabs? Come at some food. Good Lord. He's telling you to fucking move. They look.
I looked at him and I was like, yeah.
They look like though, without hesitation. That's why they flashed you.
That'd be crazy.
Reminds me of that fucking Dave Chappelle skit when he was blind.
Oh. I can see shit.
Oh yeah. I was looking more, but I'm not, I don't know.
Damn the eyeballs.
What the hell?
What? He all the eyes? Closing his eyes. I'm like, what the fuck are you doing? It's so gay.
I know.
Look at it. Watch this. Okay. Just for your engine. Good for you. What is this? Is this like a...
Like in like a 240 SX?
Oh, it's a fair lady. It's a fair lady. Yeah.
What? Like that out? Yo, Jabs almost caught that.
Oh, why not burn him? Face Jabs.